Hello everyone. The traditional once-a-year performance appraisal is fast becoming obsolete. In 2025, organizations are moving towards continuous performance management, a system that is built on regular check-ins, real-time feedback, and collaborative goal setting. The focus has shifted from evaluation to development. We at Middle-earth HR, as one of the top 10 leading HR training companies in the world, have helped organizations transform the performance management systems, training leaders to implement effective people strategies. Let us take the example of our client, CitiusTech. A fast-growing tech innovator, CitiusTech wanted to develop leaders at every level. They wanted to emphasize coaching conversations over ratings. They envisioned performance reviews that are data-informed and human-centered, turning performance management into a culture of growth, trust, and continuous improvement. Our Middle-earth HR workshop focused on three key objectives: building transparent and fair performance standards, giving feedback that sparks curiosity and creativity, creating psychological safety so employees feel empowered to challenge ideas and take initiative. This is what people-first leadership looks like. Today, CitiusTech is poised to take their people to the next level. Their teams are ready to embrace change and encourage experimentation. The best companies don't just fill roles, they cultivate potential. So, are you ready to take your company to the next level? Then fill up the form or call on the number given below.